Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, the kuna film baru kami upload video shoot last salam. Yes, and mangit pidan kamet kebukat berkia besar beklan de. Guess what? Today we'll be doing a reaction videos, Christian music. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Gonna be lit. Yeah, dog. We'll be doing a reaction video of related to Christian songs, Christian's music. So we'll be dope. Just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's get to the point. Welcome back. Dance by Pibaro. Hakar tengah batiang kemudian bor tam jung Jesus Christ. De hani ke video. Memang dia ya ke reaction video jongki Christian's music. So before we start shopping stang ke video, make sure pin like, but share, but subscribe ya ke channel ke jonga dan kok par lalu klik no mentah-mentah but like no wood. I'll be making videos again. There's some ups and downs. I cannot make videos, so thankfully to God, Jesus Christ. Yes, we'll be doing a reaction video. So, alright, let's go. Wow, jingieid Shukor, deceitful love. Listen to that beat.
Jingieid kaba shipo, jingieid kaba shukor, jingieid jangka bertai, lada pipi lashu,
lada pipi lashu, what you be jingieid jangka bertai.
Jingieid kaba shipo, jingieid kaba shukor, jingieid jangka bertai, lada pipi lashu sab what let beit bertai kaba shukor, what let beit sus baru yang kapor, what snow biang baru ilong shipor, kami papi kilok kijor.
Kmi bhapi ki lucky jor. This remind me of the verse that is from 1 Corinthians 5:33 that says what it says 1 Corinthians 5:33 good bad company corrupt characters, bro. Yes, this is Kmi bhapi ki lucky jor. Bad company corrupt good character.
Wacanya tangha kabayo I dawatnya dabiang ruki saki iyo shulong tangha ka jingpen I jing maga abhi jing tapak shipo
Lashulir ni jingrwai, lashulir. This is the fact, bro. This is the fact. Ni jingrwai mde jing shisha. Many will get trigger. I know that many will get trigger from this song.
Jing kaba shukor, jing hakka bertai, lada pipi lashu jot what let it berkai kaba shukor, what let it sus baru yang kapor, what snow biang baru ilong shipor, kami hampir ilong kijor, what shania tangha kabayo I.
What's Shania Akabayu? We walk by faith, not by sight. What Pastor mean to say? Yes, thank you, Pastor Fair. If you see this, Pastor Fair, if you see this, This one's really nice.
Gawatnya yang rugi saki Iyo shulong Tang haka jimpen I Jing maka api api
Beat bass. Something is coming. Something is cooking in there. Something is cooking in there. Something is cooking. Mustafa is cooking something. Bro, that part, man. I just feeling chills. I really like Christian raps. Let me hear that again. That's literally my favorite part. Ooh, man, this song, ini jingrwai the last you met. Potternettv, thank you for this song. Oh, this song is a film song. It's a film song dar karam. Kan sa release, lajan release. This is studio version. Ketika studio version kan ya. Teh video ka pa siya bakod. Thank you Potternettv team for this jingrwai, for this song. And yes, you guys also. Thank you for watching till the end, and please share, like, and subscribe if you find this video entertaining and you got entertaining and you like this video. Just please share, like, and subscribe. I'll be waiting right now. Press it now. Quick, press it now. Just kidding, I'm not forcing you. Just because you support me, you love me, just press that button. It's not hard, it's easy. Just press that button. Yes, I love you all with the love of Christ. And yes, kapag siya bukod ngin si kendo pat akaway ka video, support yang ada ka share, ka like, pat ka subscribe ya kani ka video. Praise the Lord and God bless you. Bye bye.